Hi guys, so we have now confirmed that we will be at VCF. We'll be providing broadband access down there, and we're going to see what we can take with us. So this bench represents most of my VCF pile, stuff that I'm hoping to take and get down there. So we've got some fairly simple stuff. I've got a couple of Wise terminals. I have a serial mux that I'm picking up from a customer, and they will go with that lot. So we'll see if we can get a dial-up ISP running. We have a Mediatrix to generate those lines, so that will be interesting, see how that behaves. We've got video A box, not sure how far that's going to get. We have an old smooth wall, which will be used for various things. We have a very unusual piece of equipment to have in private hands. We have a cable head end here. We have a collection of DOCSIS modems, so it'll be nice to get those up and running. So my plan is to try and look at different types of ISP, see if we can do that. So cable ISP, obviously we've got all our VDSL kit, we've got potentially dial-up. It'd be nice to find a way to make the modems behave without the Mediatrix involved, but we'll see. You've then got my array of 68K boards, and I'd really like to get Chaz up and running again. As if you looked at my previous videos, Chaz has worked and then died again. So what's happening now is we're getting it runs and then goes into a halt condition. So something ain't right. I need to find out why. That in theory boots. We'll get it paired up with that and see what it actually does and if we can get it running. Those in theory should boot, but again they need a proper terminal, so we're back to that. I might get some more of those. And in addition to that, obviously we've got the VDSL stuff I want to get up and running. We've got some VDSL modems over there, and we'll just see what we can do in terms of ways of getting things connected and demonstrating different connection technologies. We'll also be there as a business providing broadband access for the event. So you know, if you see us down, if you come into VCF UK, come and say hello to us. It will be just me, I believe. I don't think I've got anyone else with me. And introduce yourselves. And yeah, the other thing is I've thrown the gauntlet down to the boys next door. So those of you who don't know our business, there is part of the business. So Dart Labs is Dragon Armory's Reality Tech. Dragon Armories are an FX shop and LARP shop. And I've thrown the gauntlet down to them because I've seen lots of the lovely Amiga 500s with lots of colours and interesting designs on. So the gauntlet's been thrown down to them to make one that looks like it survived World War III. So they're going to apply all of their Hollywood know-how to that, and I imagine that's going to look awesome. I've had to rein them in already because they were going to take the keyboard apart and do all the keys as well, but don't think that's going to be really sensible. But these guys can make plastic rust, so we'll see what they come up with. And obviously that's my 500 that's running the PyStorm, frame thrower and all the memory upgrades. So it's a pokey little machine that will be coming with us. So yeah, anyway, if you go to VCF UK, look us up, say hello. I don't know where we'll be yet. I haven't even told the organisers that we're actually bringing a load of crap with us as well. But yeah, see you there.